English is a global language that opens up a world of opportunities for communication, education, and career advancement. Whether you are a beginner looking to start your English learning journey or someone seeking to enhance your existing language skills, mastering English can be a fulfilling and rewarding experience. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore effective strategies and techniques to make learning English an enjoyable and accessible process. Set clear goals. Before embarking on your English learning journey, it's essential to set clear and realistic goals. Ask yourself why you want to learn English. Is it for travel, career advancement, academic pursuits, or personal enrichment? Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, goals will provide you with a roadmap and motivation throughout your learning process. Develop a consistent learning routine. Consistency is key when it comes to language learning. Establish a regular routine that fits into your daily life. Allocate dedicated time for learning English, whether it's 30 minutes or an hour each day. Consistency helps reinforce your language skills, making it easier to retain information and build upon what you've learned. Immerse yourself in English. Creating an immersive environment is crucial for language acquisition. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch English movies, listen to English music, and read books, articles, or blogs in English. This exposure will help you become familiar with the language's rhythm, intonation, and vocabulary. Build a strong vocabulary. Expanding your vocabulary is a fundamental aspect of learning any language. Start with commonly used words and phrases, and gradually progress to more advanced vocabulary. Utilize flashcards, language learning apps, or online resources to reinforce and test your knowledge regularly. Consider keeping a vocabulary journal to track new words and their meanings. Focus on grammar. Understanding English grammar is essential for effective communication. Invest time in learning basic grammar rules, such as verb tenses, sentence structure, and word order. Many online platforms and language learning apps offer interactive grammar lessons that make the learning process engaging and effective. Practice speaking. Speaking is a crucial aspect of language learning, as it helps improve pronunciation and fluency. Find language exchange partners, join conversation clubs, or participate in online language exchange platforms to practice speaking with native speakers or fellow learners. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they are an integral part of the learning process. Use language learning apps. In the digital age, various language learning apps cater to different proficiency levels. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone offer interactive lessons, quizzes, and games to make learning English enjoyable and effective. These apps often personalize lessons based on your progress, providing a tailored learning experience. Engage in language challenges. Participating in language challenges, such as a 30-day vocabulary challenge or a weekly speaking challenge, can add an element of fun to your learning journey. Challenges create a sense of accomplishment and encourage consistent practice, helping you stay motivated and focused. Join online language communities. Connect with fellow English learners and native speakers through online language communities. Platforms like Reddit, language learning forums, or social media groups offer a space to ask questions, share resources, and engage in discussions. Learning from others' experiences and insights can enhance your understanding of the language. Incorporate English into daily activities. Integrate English into your daily life by changing the language settings on your devices, setting your social media accounts to English, or writing your to-do lists and notes in English. This constant exposure will reinforce your language skills and make English a seamless part of your routine. Read widely. Reading is a powerful tool for language learning. Start with simple texts and gradually progress to more complex materials. Choose a variety of genres, including fiction, non-fiction, articles, and blogs. Reading exposes you to different writing styles, expands your vocabulary, and enhances your comprehension skills. Watch English TV shows and movies. Watching English TV shows and movies is an entertaining way to improve your listening skills and understand diverse accents. Choose content with subtitles to aid comprehension, and gradually reduce reliance on them as your proficiency increases. Pay attention to pronunciation, intonation, and colloquial expressions used in everyday conversations. Take formal language courses. Enrolling in a formal language course, either online or in a classroom setting, can provide a structured learning experience. Language courses often cover all aspects of language acquisition, including grammar, vocabulary, speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Many institutions offer courses tailored to different proficiency levels. Practice writing regularly. Writing is an essential skill that reinforces grammar rules, enhances vocabulary, and improves overall language proficiency. Start with short paragraphs or journal entries, and gradually progress to more complex writing tasks. Seek feedback from teachers, language exchange partners, or online writing communities to refine your skills. Be patient and persistent. Language learning is a gradual process that requires time, effort, and patience. Celebrate small victories, and don't be discouraged by challenges or setbacks. Setbacks are opportunities to learn and improve. Stay persistent, stay motivated, and remind yourself of the progress you've made along the way. Learning English can be an exciting and fulfilling journey with the right approach and mindset. By setting clear goals, establishing a consistent routine, immersing yourself in the language, and utilizing various learning tools, you can enhance your language skills and become a confident English speaker. Remember that language learning is a lifelong process, and each step you take brings you closer to mastery. Embrace the journey, enjoy the process, and open doors to new opportunities through the power of the English language.